How to fix Spotify pausing Discord. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone. Then you have to go to apps option here, and then you will find all the application that you have on your phone. So you will search for Spotify only, and when you found Spotify, just open it like this and go to the last button. What is the last button? Storage, and click on clear data. Click OK and go back and click on first stop and click OK. Now the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.